Right, so we're here in Cancun. This is Thursday. It is actually Independence Day for Mexico today. It is windy, but it's supposed to be thunderstorm, lightning, raining right now. And as you can see, you know, there's a few clouds on the horizon, but certainly no moisture in the sky other than a whole heck of a lot of humidity. So it's really quite windy. As you can see, the beach is unusually small, and that is because of the wind, but it's still quite pleasant. There's a little bit of sargassum or seaweed here, but certainly nothing like other areas are experiencing. So every day, I mean, today it's, as you can see, it is a red flag, but there's been people in the water every day, and today the waves are pretty aggressive. So today might not be the day to be in the ocean, but if the wind calms down, which I think it is supposed to tomorrow, then it might be a ocean day. So this is what the beach is like right now. It is September the 16th today. So this is what the beach is like in Cancun. So there you have it, a quick little update for you on what things are like right now. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos and informational updates. And see you on the next one.